the things that happened in Nineveh, even in this day and age that we live in, was worse than you could imagine. They would capture people, sometimes without a reason, sometimes for just being not in the same city as they. They would just abduct people. And they would pin them to the ground and skin them, cut the skins loose and just rip it off their bodies. Just as a way of inducing fear to their people that they are opposing. It was a city that was greatly feared. What they would do is they would take a pole and they would impale a person while he was alive. They would take people and cut off their ears and their noses and gouge out their eyes. Just to let people know this is who we are. So, in some sense, I think most of us here, if we were in Jonah's shoes and God says, go to Nineveh, the people that hate you and that hate Israel, they are your enemies, and they're doing all these terrible things. The third thing that they do is they used skulls of the people that they murdered and stacked it at the gates of the city, just as a warning for incomers to say that this might be what's going to happen to you.